Apple's next-generation iPhones are set to bring significant design changes, and as more details emerge about the iPhone 17 Pro, excitement continues to build. Exclusive images leaked by longtime Apple insider Sonny Dixon provide an early glimpse into what we can expect from the upcoming models. These images, believed to be machined blanks sent to accessory manufacturers, reveal the dimensions and physical design of the iPhone 17, iPhone 17 Air, iPhone 17 Pro, and iPhone 17 Pro Max. While they don't showcase software improvements, they offer a clear look at Apple's evolving design philosophy. Among the most intriguing additions to the lineup is the iPhone 17 Pro, a new ultra-thin model that stands out with its sleek profile and minimalistic approach. Apple is expected to officially unveil the entire range in early September 2025, but these early leaks suggest that major design refinements are already locked in. The presence of a customizable action button alongside the power and volume controls confirms Apple's continued focus on user-friendly physical interactions. Notably, all four variants appear to adopt a uniform button layout, ensuring consistency across the lineup. Rumors also indicate that Apple may be considering a new high-end model, possibly branded as the iPhone 17 Pro. This speculation follows previous reports that Apple once debated launching an Ultra variant to sit above the Pro Max in its hierarchy. While this idea was shelved in previous cycles, recent leaks suggest it could make a return in 2025. If introduced, the Ultra model would need to justify its place with substantial advancements beyond just a larger display and improved battery life. Whether Apple sticks with the current naming convention or introduces another rebranding, one thing is certain: the iPhone 17 Pro is shaping up to be a significant evolution in Apple's smartphone design. Apple's design direction for the iPhone 17 Pro signals a shift in aesthetics and functionality while maintaining a sense of familiarity. One of the most noticeable changes is the redesigned camera bump. Instead of a raised module on the left-hand side, the camera block now extends across the back of the device, creating a more seamless look. This runway-style camera bar is particularly evident in the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max, where the triple lens system is arranged in a triangular configuration. The flash, microphone, and LiDAR sensor have been repositioned to the right side of the camera bump, optimizing space and improving symmetry. The dynamic island, which has been a defining feature of recent iPhones, is also expected to undergo a slight revision. Leaks suggest that the cutout will be smaller, offering more screen real estate without sacrificing functionality. The iPhone 17 Pro, however, stands apart from the rest of the lineup with a noticeably different front camera placement, featuring a left-side positioning within the pill-shaped cutout. These subtle refinements indicate Apple's continuous push towards maximizing display efficiency while maintaining a sleek and modern aesthetic. Apple's decision to standardize button placement across all models also reinforces its commitment to consistency. Alongside the power and volume controls, all iPhone 17 models retain the customizable action button introduced in previous iterations. Additionally, the capture button, which debuted last year, remains present across the lineup, emphasizing Apple's focus on enhancing camera usability. These physical design choices suggest that Apple is refining the iPhone experience without making drastic changes, ensuring that users benefit from improvements without a steep learning curve. Each model in the iPhone 17 Pro introduces unique characteristics while maintaining Apple's signature design language. The standard iPhone 17 closely resembles its predecessor, the iPhone 16, with two vertically stacked cameras housed in a pill-shaped bump. Measurements engraved on the leaked blanks indicate that the device will be 149.62 mm in height, 71.46 mm in width, and 7.96 mm in thickness, keeping it compact yet refined. The iPhone 17 Pro emerges as the standout model, offering an ultra-slim design that lives up to its name. At just 5.65 mm thick, it is the thinnest iPhone in the range, making it an appealing option for users who prioritize lightweight portability. Apple has designed this model with a single-lens camera housed in a runway strip-style bump, which also contains the flash and microphone. This minimalistic approach suggests that the iPhone 17 Air is aimed at those who want a sleek, everyday device without the bulk of a multi-lens camera system. The iPhone 17 Pro builds upon the design of its predecessor but takes the runway strip camera bump to the next level, extending it across the back of the device. The triple-lens system is arranged in a triangular layout on the left side, while the flash, microphone, and LiDAR sensor are positioned on the right, creating a balanced and functional design. With dimensions of 149.63 mm in height, 71.45 mm in width, and 8.75mm in thickness, the iPhone 17 Pro maintains a premium feel while introducing a more streamlined camera layout. The iPhone 17 Pro, rumored to be rebranded as the iPhone 17 Ultra, is expected to serve as the ultimate flagship model. Reports suggest that Apple initially considered increasing the screen size to 6.9 inches, but concerns over structural integrity led them to reconsider. Instead, the Pro Max will maintain its premium build while incorporating the runway-style camera bump, improved camera sensors, and a slightly altered dynamic island design. If the Ultra branding becomes a reality, it will likely signify that the Pro Max is more than just a larger version of the Pro. It will offer distinct, high-end features that set it apart in Apple's smartphone hierarchy. Beyond design changes, the iPhone 17 Pro is set to deliver substantial performance improvements, particularly in the Pro and Pro Max models. Apple is expected to equip its high-end iPhones with the A19 Pro chip, an upgrade over the A17 Pro found in the iPhone 15 Pro Max. While initial rumors suggested a transition to 2nm technology, reports now indicate that Apple will instead use an advanced version of TSMC's 3nm process, optimizing both performance and energy efficiency. This refinement should result in up to a 40% performance boost over the iPhone 15 Pro Max, offering smoother multitasking, gaming, and overall responsiveness. One of the most intriguing hardware upgrades is the introduction of vapor chamber cooling, a technology Apple has reportedly been experimenting with since 2021. Unlike traditional cooling methods, a vapor chamber system uses liquid evaporation to dissipate heat, preventing the processor from overheating and reducing the need for performance throttling. If implemented, this could make the iPhone 17 Pro series significantly better at handling sustained high-performance tasks, such as gaming, video editing, and augmented reality applications. Apple is also increasing RAM capacity to ensure smoother operation, better AI processing, and improved multitasking. While the iPhone 16 Pro models adopted 8GB of RAM, reports suggest that the iPhone 17 Pro will push this further to 12GB, giving it a clear edge in handling complex applications and Apple Intelligence features. This enhancement will be particularly beneficial for professional users who demand high efficiency from their devices.